Hey, good morning. Fisherman Barry here. I'm up at Lake Don Pedro. I got here early, got up at 3 and got here and was in fishing by about 4:30. There's a full moon or near full moon. I think they call it the harvest moon. Anyway, I got one so far. I don't usually bother setting the cameras up when it's really dark because you can't hardly see anything. But one decent one, 1.5 pounds or so. I've tried a few different things, a bladed jig, tried a top water until this wind started picking up. Luckily it's to my back. And then I tried my usual spinnerbait. I'm just trying to bring it near the surface, pick up a little bit of flash off the moonlight. So we'll see how it goes. It's been warm here still. It was in the high 90s, 97 yesterday. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler today, maybe 92. I'll check back in a little bit later. We'll see what the conditions are like and how the fishing goes. Well, good morning, Fisherman Barry back here again. Just a few minutes later than when I first checked in. This is my third fish so far. Not a giant, but not bad either. Looks like it might be a spot or a hybrid. Anyway, the moon's still up, but starting to get light. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to keep the camera out now, not put it away. So hopefully we catch some more. Okay, fish number 4 feels like a little bit better. Not great, but oops. Try another spot. Not giant, but not bad. Solid. Well, if I get this on the boat, it'll be fish number 6. Pretty much all been spots today. Pretty much all in that size range.